Hello and welcome back to Debbie J's Crafting Corner. Today we're doing another Happy Mail video. This is all of the Happy Mail that I've received over the last month. I tried to collect it all during the month and then release it all to you guys at the end of the month in one big video so you guys can see all the fun things that you guys have sent to me. I love sharing what you make. First one I want to share is this one that was totally unexpected. I had sent Carrie Rhodes a card for her, I think it was for her birthday, and she made this cute little thing for me and left me a sweet note. I just think that the one is adorable. So next I have a couple of things from Miss Gloria Wolf, and to be honest, she's not on any of my swap lists, so I'm not sure what she sent to me or if it was left over from last month. I'm really not sure, but regardless, if I owe you a card, Miss Gloria, please let me know. So this looks like it's probably from the Halloween swap that we did in the Crafting with Debbie Facebook group. Because this is adorable. I loved all those little skeletons. Oh, and she sent me a couple of die-cut little boxes for little treats. That is super sweet. Thank you. I do love those little skeletons. That is neat. So they look like they could be, I know that they're little die cuts, so I don't know if they're stamped or if they were ephemera that she had, but these little skeleton, these little bone spider webs are those are die cuts. Like, you can feel the texture there, and then it looks like she's got a handwritten "It's Halloween" sentiment there. So let's get a close-up of that for you guys to see. So this next package is also from Miss Gloria Wolf, and like I said, I wasn't expecting anything from her. So let's see what we've got in here. Aww, it's a pretty little, oh, I like that technique too. I haven't tried that yet. This is a pretty little thank you card, and she's got the strips here popped up on acetate. I have seen that done online once, and now that I see it up close, I definitely have to try that out. That is just too cool. Thank you so much, Miss Gloria. So this first card it's an ink blending card from Ms. Barbara Jones. So I believe that one was where we're supposed to ink blend through a stencil. Ooh, that is pretty. I like that stencil too. So she's got it ink blended. It kind of looks like the light's coming in from this end. This end is white, and she's got the darkest color here, and she's got layers of yellow and green. And then she's turned this into a birthday card with the stamp, "Hooray, it's your birthday." And then she's got this flower image embossed. So that is super pretty. And then the next one we have is from Jenna Matal. I'm probably mispronouncing your last name, so I do apologize for that, hon. But let's take a look at your card. And she also did some stenciling on the front. Okay, here we go. Ooh, and she used the same, looks like it was the same stencils. This kind of looks citrusy, and she made it into a birthday card. And slowly I'm opening this because it's full of little pieces. I've got a bunch of cute little butterfly ephemera, some die cuts, some smaller butterflies, and then some fleur-de-lis that could be used as embellishments or as confetti, like for a shaker card. So that is super cute. Thank you so much for that, Jenna. Okay, so next we're going on to another group of the card conga swaps. These are a spooky Halloween. So the rest of the cards that I have here should all be Halloween, which is one reason why I've got my Halloween music on. So let's go ahead and get in the first one. This one is from Susan Goosey. So let's go ahead and take a look. And Card Conga is a group that I have swapped with a couple years back and haven't done it in a while. So this is really cute. She's got some pattern paper that I think I recognize from one of the pattern paper packs that I've used in the past. She's got some pretty gems, a pumpkin, and a kitty cat, and some bats, and it is a trifold card. So that is kind of cool. So we've got a fun fold card here. Okay, so this is from Miss Olivia Olsen, and oh, that's so cute! She's got a cute little girl witch. She's got a ribbon in black over the top, and the girl has a cute little kitty. It looks like she did some, I think that's alcohol marker coloring. She's also got a little bit of shimmer on the image as well. And she stamped the inside with some creepy little spiders, and we've got a die-cut spider web up in the top. So thank you for that, Miss Olivia. And the next card that I have is from Norma Dogladet. I'm saying it wrong. Dogladet. So let's take a look and see what she sent to me. I'm trying to use my scissors this time instead of the bone folder, because bone folder wasn't really opening it as well as I'd like last month. But it looks like I may have to just go back and forth. There we go. Okay. So first she's got a little swap card and a piece. This is so cute. She gave me an eyeball card. That is super cute. Look at all those little bobbles. I mean the googly eyes. And has a couple of O's that I don't know if they were supposed to be on there or not. I'm assuming they were because they are little stickers. But she's got me a little eyeball tree. That is cute. And the tree is embossed. She's got a row of googly eyes on the inside. So this is one of those cards that you can make with supplies you already have, even if you don't have anything for Halloween. This was ingenious. Thank you so much, Norma. I love that. That is too cute. Let's see if I can open this one a little easier. Okay, that opened up pretty good. And it's also in a cellophane bag. Excuse me. And that is too pretty. So she's got some splatter, and it's also in a cellophane bag. Let me get that bag off of there so we can get a better look. So this looks like paint splatter, so I think she may have used some acrylic paint on that. She's got a banner and the sentiment here. And then we've got, it could be a sticker or it could be a die cut with some silver foil behind it and some baker's twine. That is too cute. And then she put a layer of, like you see in some of the ones I've seen in the store. I don't think I do that much, but she's got paper adhered on the inside that protects the cardstock. So that is pretty nice. I like that. So thank you so much. That one again was Kimberly. So let me go ahead and let you see a close-up of that. So the next card we have is from Miss Maria White. I recognize these. Awesome. So the die set that she's using on these are from Spellbinders. This is the Eekaboo. I think that is just adorable. And it looks like she's done some stenciling. I think this is a bat stencil with some embossed glitter on there, and the moon and some little bats, again from, I think those are the Spellbinders bats, because I've been using them a lot. And on the inside she's got a die cut boo. That is too cute. Thank you so much, Miss Maria. Okay, next we have a card that was probably from last month's hop. Now, one thing I noticed is the paper that she made the envelope out of is kind of fuzzy. So that is kind of neat. This is from Miss Cynthia Johnson. Okay, and this one is a Christmas card. So this one is one of the ones from last month's swap. I think this one was a card conga. Perfect. So we've got a lot of green glitter, and we've got Santa right here, kind of peeking out, and it's it's a wobbler. That is too cool. And then on the inside, we've got Santa's butt. So he's coming through a hole right there. So that is just too adorable. Okay, so this next group of cards are all from the Crafting with Debbie Facebook group. This first one is from Miss Elizabeth Costa Rogers. So let's take a look and see what Miss Elizabeth sent. Don't know what is wrong with me. I'm having so much trouble getting them out of the envelope. So as always, she put her little emblem there on the back and her signature. And this is actually a new sticker. Looks like she's gotten in some new stickers with her logo and and a I just forgot what it's called. I think it's a UR code, but anyway, she's got her new code there. So by scanning that, it should bring up one of her sites, probably her shop. Actually, I think I remember seeing her make this or a card using the same stamp set on her channel. So we've got some fun fall colored cardstock with some glitter and this cute little ghost that she has stamped out of different pattern papers. That is too cute. Thank you so much, Miss Elizabeth. And then next we have a card from Miss Jean Marin. Again, part of that Halloween swap. So she created some mummy paper. What it looks like is that for the mummy paper, what she did here was she did some ripping of some cardstock and ink blended the exposed edges, and then put a couple of little googly eyeballs up there in the corner. Of course, she's got this tan colored cardstock backed with some black, so you've got a little bit of dimensions there, and that is just too cute. When black cats prowl and pumpkins gleam, may luck be yours on Halloween. Awesome. This is so sweet. Thank you. And I love this one. That stamp is so cool. So we've got as a kind of a fall themed tree with a tombstone and some spider webs, and that is just too pretty. And then she added a few little ghosts. That is adorable. Thank you so much, Miss Jean. Okay, and the next card that we have is from Miss Camille Ernst. I can already see the spider webs. Oh, and such a cute little kitty. So she colored up the kitty in some alcohol markers, and then she's got some pattern paper with, or it could be a stencil, with some spider web in the back, and added some little sequins to it, and Happy Halloween, and that is adorable. Thank you so much, Miss Camille. And then the final card for this month's Happy Mail is from Miss Cordelia Alderman. This is kind of neat. So she did a background here. You can feel the texture from, not sure what she used on it, but I can definitely feel the texture from some of the splatter. That is too cool. She does have some little pieces in different areas that look like it's probably from a sequin kit, but these are little peekaboos. So this top one, Vampires Don't Suck. It's got a cute little vampire in there. This one says Halloween, Happy Halloween, and it's got a cute little witch. And this one says Eek, and we've got Frankenstein. That is too adorable and just an ingenious idea. Thank you so much. And then on the inside, it says Happy Halloween, and it has, again, some of those little Halloween flat sequins. We've got a kitty cat and a witch's hat and a little star. So that is just adorable. Okay, so she did say on here, I hope you like the card. It has a few splatters of glow-in-the-dark acrylic paint. Not sure if they're going to show up very well, but I'm going to have to try that out later. Let's see. So let me go ahead and get this over and let you see it close up. Okay, so we weren't able to see whether or not that glows or not, but actually over here it looks like it does a little bit. I am going to have to take another picture after I get this sitting in the light for a bit. Usually the way that glow-in-the-dark mediums work is you get them exposed to the light for a bit, and then once they've had a chance to absorb that light, then they'll be able to be glow-in-the-dark once you... this is just too cool. I love all these cute cards. But once you get them into the dark, I'm going to add that little O there again. Spread these little guys out. These are just adorable. And there's so many cool ideas. I mean, some of these I definitely want to do a little bit of duplication of. These are just adorable. So again, thank you guys for all of the wonderful happy mail that you sent to me. I really, really appreciate it, and I love swapping with you guys and then sharing all the wonderful things that you guys create with everybody that watches my channel. So thank you again. You have a wonderful day, and if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button down below, subscribe to my channel, and come over onto my Facebook group, Crafting with Debbie. There's a link down below for you guys. So come on over there and sign up for this next month's swap so I can share your projects on my channel next month. So thank you guys. You have a wonderful, wonderful day. And until next time, remember, if I can make it, you can too.